Today we will tell you some special benefits of beetroot. 1. This vegetable boasts a robust nutrient profile, abundant in essential vitamins and minerals with an earthy flavor. Both the leaves and roots are particularly rich in folate, vital for cell growth, repair, immune function, and nerve health. Consuming just one raw medium beetroot covers 44% of the recommended daily folate intake. Additionally, the same beetroot provides 12% of the recommended daily manganese intake, crucial for bone formation and supporting antioxidant activity. Furthermore, beetroot contributes significantly to daily intake of potassium, magnesium, copper, iron, vitamin C, and zinc. 2. Beetroots stand out as a potent anti-inflammatory food due to their unique content of betalains, pigments responsible for the distinctive red and yellow hues. Betalains have demonstrated the potential to alleviate inflammation within the body. While inflammation is a crucial short-term immune response to protect against infection, prolonged inflammation is recognized as a contributing factor in various chronic conditions, including heart disease. Preliminary studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of beetroot juice may surpass those of many synthetic drugs, such as ibuprofen, known for their undesirable side effects. 3. Beetroot serves as an antioxidant powerhouse, crucial for combating free radicals produced naturally in the body during chemical reactions. Unhealthy lifestyle factors like smoking, stress, and poor diet can escalate free radical production, leading to oxidative stress, a contributor to many chronic health conditions. Antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals, maintaining a delicate balance in our system. Research indicates that beetroot juice surpasses many other fruit and vegetable juices in antioxidant capacity, with only pomegranate ranking higher. For promoting heart health, beetroot emerges as a valuable ally in maintaining healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure, often asymptomatic, poses a substantial risk for heart disease and conditions affecting blood supply to the brain, such as strokes and aneurysms, affecting about 1 in 3 adults in the UK. Addressing contributing factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, and excess weight is crucial. In addition to lifestyle changes, incorporating beetroot juice can be a beneficial strategy. Rich in nitrates, beetroots, when consumed, convert to nitrous oxide, which relaxes veins and arteries, promoting unrestricted blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Research, supported by the British Heart Foundation, demonstrated that a daily intake of just 250 milliliters of beetroot juice significantly reduced blood pressure over a 4-week study period. It's essential to consult your GP before making any adjustments to prescribed blood pressure medication. 5. Beetroot emerges as a support for liver function, recognizing the liver's demanding role in toxin removal, bile production for fat digestion, hormone breakdown, mineral and vitamin storage, and energy production. A well-functioning liver is integral to the overall health of our body systems. Compounds found in beetroot have demonstrated the ability to aid the liver in neutralizing and expelling harmful toxins, contributing to the prevention of liver damage. 6. Enhancing both endurance and performance. Beetroot proves effective in optimizing athletic outcomes. Athletes consuming beetroot juice within a couple of hours before training experience improved running times for set distances and prolonged training duration. Furthermore, post-intense training, athletes consuming 250 milliliters of beetroot juice demonstrated accelerated recovery compared to those who did not partake. This performance boost is attributed to beetroot's nitrates, which enhance blood flow, facilitating more efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to muscles during exercise. 7. Supporting brain health. Beetroot emerges as a potential ally against age-related changes, including brain shrinkage and decreased blood flow. These factors often contribute to diminished cognitive function, affecting memory and learning abilities. Early studies suggest that a daily intake of 450 milliliters of beetroot juice may enhance blood flow to the brain regions crucial for memory functions and task switching abilities. Ongoing research is exploring the impact of beetroot juice on brain blood supply. To mitigate age-related brain shrinkage, it's advisable to incorporate daily physical activity, maintain healthy blood pressure, steer clear of processed foods, refrain from smoking, and avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Thanks for watching.